Check in. Alright, people, watch out now. And I ask me there, we can't even go make no speaker box because JPS just decide say they want them light for use today for themselves. And not give me none. You pay for my light, and light gone. Why, I tell you. I mean, I feel like for go wire up no inverter right now for go run no sal kind of. Me just fix the battery problem in a my sound. Me nah feel like me want to run no inverter for my battery them when they not charge. That not good for my system. Me not depend that right now. So, me I go and test in a man and me I go and fast with one little powered box right there, but it don't look like it can fix. So, me I go fast with something else. Alright people, see powered box, see board there? I don't look a board there in it, But I don't know what I'm to it. You have one short circuit. When me turn on it, alright, see the battery there, and the battery I read 4 point something. But when me turn on, when me plug on it on this, right so, and turn on it, the voltage just disappear. Me not get no voltage from the battery. So I don't know if the battery dead or I don't know. I go dig out the battery out there and see what voltage mark on the battery itself. And see if the battery is supposed to read the voltage there. But see speaker them, a two speaker, Me almost feel like more and then good look on them, they look beefy. For some little speaker though. Look on the magnet on the back of this. I think one of them about 6 ohms or something like that, Yeah, I think one of them about 6 ohms or a 5 he read 5 ohms. So I don't know. But I see something on the back of it. Let me tear at this. I must see serial number that. I don't want to deal with them on course way, Make it stay. I feel like me go find use for speaker them. And just call it a day with the box. I'm not really interested in them saying, I don't have time for that. But I feel like more use them speaker and do something. I wonder if I put them, I connect them on the 8000 and play. Connect it to them like a speaker, yeah? On the 8000 and play. What you mean I'm wicked? That would I'm crazy right now. Yeah, man, just connect it to them on the 8000 and turn them on. Watch out, it's moving. This one, the magnet strong, Yeah, man, the magnet strong, man. But yeah, we put them in my TV. I try them in my TV. I don't have nothing to do, man. Like gone. Sure. Alright, people, watch out now. Me pull up my TV. TV use 2 speaker, 2 tweeter. I'll show you the speaker in a minute. One come from right, so. Oh, what is this then tape up? I'm not even touching, Yeah, the TV I work alright, I just the speaker them. I don't like the audio. This is one nice speaker box. See Twitter, yeah? This is one nice speaker box. Alright, one did the right, so me plug off it. See it, people? Look on the condition of the speaker. So a speaker, Let me see if I can find some set them come off it. See one piece, yeah? It's a piece of remain will come off of the speaker. See there? So the speaker then damage. One plate it over here, so, like this, See plate here. Yeah, so I try to see if I can get the whole complete box with the speaker and tweeter and sitting in it. And just change it easier because I just plug on. See plug on it. So that's wrong with the TV. If not, I'm gonna try 2 little speaker them in it. Nah, man. Alright, people, watch out now. Like on a light now there. I go measure a face eye box when I want to put the glass. I go watch it and see if I can get the glass or figure out if them have the thickness of the glass I want. So I go do that. Because I also want to try to get some speaker for my TV. A double coil speaker, Well, even if I call it double coil or or double speaker, I don't know if I call it, because a 2 coil and a 1 speaker. One speaker. Well, I don't even know. The soft parts, as in the coning, these are the coning. And a 2 coil there underneath it. See there? 2 magnet, 2 coil. So, and a 2 of them I have to go get, And I call somebody and then say hard to get. So, if I not get it, I go get some other TV speaker and try to make them work. I don't know how I go fit it down in this. That go in. This go in here, so. Like that. And then this go over it. Cover up it. And then the sound come through the little slot there. Through the little marker part there. Yep. So, I'm gonna do that. Nah, man, I'm gonna measure this now still. Put on back this. Drop it down. Measure it. Find out the size of glass I want now. Yeah. Nah, man, Alright, people. Oh, yeah. Be a trouble, people. Be a trouble. 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 Mommy carry me and drive to, Be a trouble. Alright. The glass place at Ochi, they only have the thickness in a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch thick glass. That is all they have at Ochi. Yeah. They only have 1/4. I don't want 1/4. I want the lowest I might go a 1/2 inch. Lowest I might go a 1/2 inch. You understand? 1/2 inch. But I want between 5/8 to 3/4. Or if I can't get that now, I will take the 1/2 inch. Because the 1/2 inch can work. But the 1/4 can't work none at all. It can't, that too thin. That will make nice from today till tomorrow. Not gonna work. So gonna square one. Me have to go call town or something. So that I go kinda hold up my box. Otherwise, we get some things. Go collect some things when I order to do some work. Yeah, so when I reach home, I go pull them there and show them. I also get the speaker for put in a TV. It's not the correct speaker, you see there? Not the correct speaker. But I have to make it work because the person when I go to, them say them speaker they hard to get. So that him use as a substitute, so he recommend me to use that too. So I go try to use them there. So and that's how the people. Still I go and go do some work because I still have to finish up the box, even though I not gonna get the glass to put on it. Still have to finish up the box. And I'm gonna try town. So anybody know anywhere we sell a perspex where we can get in a like 5/8 or 3/4 or 1/2 inch, let me know. Just comment and let me know. Or if you want to comment and tell me where, or you want to send me phone number or something, but let me know. And I don't really want one big piece, It's gonna be like, I want the measurement again, about 44 by 10. Something like that. It might be a little bit more than 10. I have a measurement right now. But basically, a 44 inches by 10 inches. Something like that. Yeah, me up on the road, I reverse on a video, So stay tuned for more. If you don't subscribe. Alright people, check in. Back to the TV. See 2 speaker box them here, me take out, Yeah, but me get 2, but then can't fit. Me did already know before me get them, so they now can't fit. Cause man tell me say one of them want to take a hard to get. So bore them part there. Yeah, and screw them up. Them well firm. But them out up on the outside of the TV, but I saw you go. And nobody thinks say me I first person, I only person who do this. Other people do it. Because the technician tell me straight, say yo, that him have to do to enough of them. So, see it there? Fit it or fit up back. I connect up a wire them and everything already. Screw me, I go screw you up back right now. Here's the next part, this part. Let me see if this can go on too. This will go under this. Rotted. So it will work. Me, I gonna make it work. You have to go on. No question about that. Fix things. Alright people, back to that now. Me make it fit. Yeah. I kinda did have to twist, bend, do all kind of little something to make it fit, but it fit. So, I'm gonna screw it up right now. What if I screw it, you know, and see screw them, eh? Some of them, some of them. Nah, man. Then people fix things. See, look a speaker them under this beat. Two side working. Can feel them move to up and running.